Searching for the best smartphone gimbal feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Every product looks the same 3-axis stabilization, same tracking claims, same foldable design. But here's the truth. Most look good on paper, yet fail when you actually need them. Today, I'm cutting through the noise with 5 real options that actually deliver. Product number 1, DJI Osmo Mobile 8. The DJI Osmo Mobile 8 stands out immediately with its built-in extension rod and Apple Dock Kit integration, something you won't find on cheaper models. Priced at $191, it's definitely premium, but if you want seamless native tracking, lighting sync, and audio reception all in one, this is worth a serious look. The stabilization is rock solid, thanks to advanced 3-axis tech that handles fast pans and sudden movements without jitter. And the built-in tripod makes low-angle shots or group selfies effortless. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're filming events, travel vlogs, or live streams, having reliable tracking and extended battery life means you won't miss key moments. Over 7,000 units sold last month shows real demand, even without public reviews yet. Now some people might complain about the price, it's not cheap. But here's the thing. You're paying for ecosystem integration, especially if you're deep into Apple or DJI's Mimo app. The learning curve is minimal too, with one-tap editing and tutorials built right in. This is perfect for you if you want a pro-grade gimbal that just works out of the box and doubles as a selfie stick. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only shoot casually once in a while. For serious creators, though, it's a solid investment. Product number 2, DJI Osmo Mobile 7. Now if the Osmo Mobile 8's price made you pause, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 at $114 might be your sweet spot. It keeps core DJI strengths, like ActiveTrack 7 and 10-hour battery life, but drops the extension rod and some premium features to hit a lower price. At just 10.6 ounces, it's ultralight and folds down smaller than its bigger brother, making it ideal for travel or daily carry. The dual-lens tracking uses your phone's front and rear cameras for smarter subject following, which works surprisingly well even in busy environments. You still get USB-C phone charging, foldable design with built-in tripod, and smooth 3-axis stabilization that handles walking shots and quick turns without wobble. Over 4,000 sold last month proves it's a crowd favorite. Here's the catch. It lacks the native Apple Dock Kit support and built-in lighting audio features of the OM 8. Some users also note the magnetic clamp can feel slightly less secure with heavier phones. But honestly, for most people, that's a minor trade-off. The tracking is still excellent, and the app experience with shot guides and one-tap edit makes editing feel effortless. This is perfect for you if you want near-pro performance without paying flagship prices. Skip this if you absolutely need hands-free extension shots or Apple ecosystem deep integration. Otherwise, it's one of the best value picks in DJI's lineup. Product number 3, AOCHUAN Smart XC Model 1. Alright, that was a solid DJI option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious creators, the AOCHUAN Smart XC at just $67. Don't let the price fool you. This gimbal packs serious features like a focus wheel, zoom slider, and smart tracking 6 with 4 modes including gesture control. It supports phones up to 7 inches and 0.62 pounds, covering everything from iPhone 16 Pro Max to Galaxy S23 Ultra. The 2600 mAh battery gives you over 10 hours of use, and the foldable design fits in your pocket. Over 1,000 units sold shows growing trust in this brand. Here's why this matters. The focus wheel lets you pull focus manually like a pro cinematographer, something even some expensive gimbals skip. Combined with Hitchcock and Inception modes in the app, you can create cinematic shots without extra gear. Now, some people complained about the app being a bit clunky at first, and you do need to remove thick phone cases for a secure fit. But once you get past the initial setup, the performance is shockingly good for the price. The anti-shake tech holds up well during fast movements, and gesture control actually works. Wave your hand and it starts recording. This is perfect for you if you're a TikToker, YouTuber, or travel vlogger on a budget who still wants pro-style controls. Skip this if you need flawless app integration or shoot in extremely windy conditions where heavier gimbals perform better. Product number 4, AOCHUAN Smart XC Model 2. Wait, another AOCHUAN Smart XC? Yes, but this version is nearly identical to the previous one, just listed separately. Same $66.76 price, same 12.2-ounce weight, same 10-hour battery and foldable design. The key difference: this listing emphasizes TikTok and YouTube use more heavily with one-click horizontal to vertical switching, perfect for short-form content. The payload capacity is 250 grams, so it handles big phones easily. Again, over 1,000 bought recently. Here's the thing, both AOCHUAN models are essentially the same product. The real value here is consistency. You're getting reliable performance, solid build quality, and creative shooting modes without breaking the bank. Some users mention the tripod feels a bit flimsy compared to DJI-S, and the app still takes a minute to learn. But for under $70, you're getting features that cost twice as much elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you prioritize affordability and creative flexibility over brand name. Skip this if you need ultra-premium materials or seamless third-party app compatibility. Otherwise, it's a steal for daily content creation. Product number 5, DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Finally, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 at $140 sits right between the OM 7 and OM 8. It brings back the built-in extension rod, great for group shots, and keeps DJI's signature quick launch feature. Unfold it, snap in your phone, and the Mimo app opens automatically. The 3-axis stabilization is just as smooth as newer models, and the new status panel lets you check battery and switch modes instantly. Around 500 sold last month suggests it's popular among upgraders. Here's why this matters. If you love the OM 5 or OM 4, this is a natural step up with better tracking and modern ergonomics. However, it lacks ActiveTrack 7 and phone charging, features now standard on the OM 7 and OM 8. Some users also miss the magnetic clamp ease of newer models. But if you already own DJI gear or value the extension rod for vlogging, it's still a strong performer. This is perfect for you if you want a balanced mix of portability, functionality, and DJI reliability without going full premium. Skip this if you need the latest tracking tech or all-day phone charging. It's a great middle ground option. So which one should you pick? If money's no object, the Osmo Mobile 8 delivers the full package. On a budget, either AOCHUAN Smart XC model gives insane value. Need lightweight reliability? The Osmo Mobile 7 shines. Love extension shots? Go for the OM 6. All 5 are legit, just match the feature to your actual needs. Drop your pick in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.